Hello, my YouTube family. Don't mind me, I'm just putting in another bobby pin because your girl's hair just can't do what it's supposed to do. Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. This is video number 2. So I'm feeling a little bit better because last video I was really nervous, but this video I'm kind of more, I guess, chilled and set back a little bit. I do not know what look I'm going to be creating today. To be honest, this could go very interesting, or I have no idea. This is going to be interesting because I have no idea what I want to do. So I'm just going to let my creative abilities take over my body and just show me what to do, which is what I do 90% of the time anyways. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are not yet a subscriber, please join the family and let's get on with the video. Okay, so I use Real Technique sponges. I'm actually also going to be using several new brushes that I haven't tried before today, but I do like to use these sponges. So this is the size of this sponge before I wet it. And I'm about to go wet it now. Okay everyone, so I just wet my sponge and now we are about to move on to foundation. Okay, so now we're gonna do primer. So I got the e.l.f. poreless face primer and I have not tried this yet. I know I am late, but I have not tried this yet, so I'm excited to see where this goes. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face. Next step is foundation, so I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, which is my absolute go-to. So this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte, and I'm going to be mixing the shades 200 and 185. So I'm still perfecting everything just because my skin has been acting so weird lately. I've been getting eczema everywhere since I have eczema, so I have been just getting really weird type of red skin and just rashes. So hopefully this doesn't affect that at all. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be cream contouring. So I'm going to be using Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Mocha. Okay everyone, so time for a concealer. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and this is in the shade 190, and I am just going to be applying this. Next, we're going to be setting my face with Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent and using a setting brush from Real Techniques. going to be using Makeup Revolution London Ultra Bronze Palette to contour and bronze up my face. Sorry guys, forgot to say this, but I'm also going to be using now brushes from Morphe. So I'm going to use this Morphe fan brush. Move the camera a little bit forward. I am now going to be using Unique Mood Struck Brow Liner in the shade Dark to do my eyebrows. Okay guys, so clearly it takes me a good hot minute to do my eyebrows, but remember honeys, they're not twins, but they can be sisters. So, but now I'm just gonna go on ahead and clean them up with some concealer. What type of eyeshadow palette are we going to use? Well, I want to use a eyeshadow palette that kind of gives me the colors describing me and who I am. So the only better way and the best palette to describe me is the Morphe 39S. And she looks like this. If you do not have this palette in your collection, you really need to go get this one. It's not on there. Hello. But you really need to go get this palette. It is so amazing, so good, so happy to be using it. So let's go on ahead and dive right in. Okay, so no lie, this video took me forever to make, but I did enjoy making every single bit of this video. Every single bit I enjoyed. If you guys would like to see more of these type of makeup looks, let me know. Comment down below in the comments section. If you guys like this makeup look, please leave a like down below. You guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you would like to get notified, just press the bell button down below. I'm Taylor, and I will see you for more videos. Bye.